Hey everybody, I'm doing cooking editorial in my kitchen because I'm being free to be me. Alright. Making your little salmon. Alright, how about that? Y'all like that? What? See if y'all can see me over here now cutting up my salmon. A little bit more closer. How about that? What? I have a lot of more better knives than this. Let me get my other knives. What? Let me let y'all see what's going over here. All right. Woo! I got so many knives. Okay. Get started. Ooh, I already got some salmon cooking right now, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm just getting ready to cut some other salmon up with my knives, you know? How about this knife right here? Like that, sweet potatoes. Put a little butter in there, you know what I'm saying? Butter. How about I get me a little something to mix in it? How about that? Me a little wine in my salmon. How about that? Okay, that was my jam, free be me. So I'm about to cook with a little. What is this? Pink Moscato. Put it in there. Ooh. Put that in my salmon. You know what I'm saying? Cook it all up. Smelling good already. Smelling good already. Got my seasoning. Whew. Got me lard. Got me a little pepper. And it's looking all right. Looking kind of good already. It's looking kind of good. How about y'all take a look at this? Y'all see how it is. Y'all like that? Got the avocados and stuff going on. You know? I'm going to cook with the avocados. Make it with my salmon. And then it's going to be good and healthy for you. Salmon is a good fish. And avocado is a really good vegetable to go with it. Okay? Okay. After that, since I already got salmon cooking that looks really, really, I'm going to test it out and see is it done. Okay? Hold on. Let me get something right so I can test it out and see if it's done. Alright. Almost. Woo! That smells good. That salmon smells really, really good. Salmon smells good. Alright. So, cut up my avocado. Cut it up. Since I already have some salmon, I'm going to put the extra salmon up. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it away, back in the container. Extra pieces that I don't need, okay? Put it in my fridge, you know, because it's like, I already got some, and I don't really need this, so I'm just going to put it back in the refrigerator, you know. Yeah. Okay. Throw it away for later, you know what I'm saying, while I finish my meal. Y'all want to hear my song, Free to Be Me again? Or y'all just want to see me do this catastrophe of a meal with my salmon, putting that right where it's supposed to be? Alright. Alright, how about that right there? Okay, so I am about to cut up. First, I have to rinse this off. Let me rinse this off for y'all. Rinse it off, and then I'm going to peel my avocado. Okay, I have so many different kind of knives to choose from with avocado. These are the ones I haven't really used yet. But, okay, all this over here. Okay, I really want to pick a nice firm avocado. Alright, this would be the good one to do. Okay, I'm going to let y'all hear my song one more time to give us a little entertainment while I cook. How about that? One more time, Free to Be Me, because I'm getting Free to Be Me in my kitchen. You know what I'm saying? How about that? Oh, alright. Now this is cute. You know what? Now this is a cute little knife right here. You got the little slip cover. You know, all of them have the slip cover. But isn't this so cute and safe? All of them have their own little slip covers. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? You know? Matter of fact, I think I'm going to turn it down a little bit. I'm being a little bit too free. You know what I'm saying? How about that? Okay, I'm turning her down a little bit. Okay, she's being free over there while I'm going to come over here and cut this up. I'll bring it a little bit closer so y'all can see.